We're on Castle Springs Road, way out in the desert. No stop signs out here, but there's sure a lot of no trespassing signs. I call them, look, another nothing sign. There's absolutely no place to pull off on this road. It's either fenced or there's just no place to pull off. If I wanted to camp out here, there's no way in hell that I can even do that, because there's not a place to pull off except for just park on the side of the damn road. Now, I haven't seen but a few vehicles on this road today. But I sure saw a lot of no nothing signs. Tell you, the geology of these deserts just, it's astonishing. The veins of rocks that run through all the different types of other rocks. I mean, look at all that out there. You think all that's been prospected by prospectors back in the day? Do you think somebody climbed up to the pinnacle of those mountains along the sides of them with a damn pick and a mule and a gold pan, some dried jerky, some coffee, a gun? How much water could you carry too, you know? How much water? I mean, you're way the hell out here back in the 1800s, and you're not cruising down the road in a camper, man. You're leading a stinking mule up some dry creek to find some gold pan, and you can't find it, or you do, you start finding it, and you look and you see this gully running up the side of the mountain, and you start checking that out with your pick, and you go, wow, look at right straight ahead, look at that vein of rock running up and down there. Now, there's good chances there's gold around here when stuff like that happens.